Hey guys, in this video I'm going to give you a short explanation how Bitcoin mining works and what the technology behind it is.
Make sure to press the bell icon to never miss another update.
Bitcoin mining is the process by which new Bitcoins are created and transactions are verified on the Bitcoin network. It's a critical component of the Bitcoin ecosystem and is responsible for maintaining the integrity and security of the entire blockchain. The first thing to understand about Bitcoin mining is that it's based on a consensus mechanism called proof of work. Proof of work, POW, is a system in which miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles in order to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. The first miner to solve the puzzle is rewarded with a certain number of bitcoins, currently 12.5 bitcoins, and the transaction fees. Miners use specialized computer hardware called ASICs to perform the complex calculations required to solve the puzzles. These ASICs are designed specifically for Bitcoin mining and are much more efficient than regular computer hardware. Once a miner solves the puzzle, the new block is added to the blockchain and the miner is rewarded with newly minted bitcoins. The new block also contains a reference to the previous block, creating a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. The technology behind Bitcoin mining is complex, but it can be broken down into three main components: the Bitcoin protocol, the blockchain, and the miners. The Bitcoin protocol is a set of rules that govern the functioning of the Bitcoin network. The blockchain is a public ledger that records all transactions and is maintained by the miners. The miners are the individuals or organizations that use their computer hardware to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. As the number of miners increases, the difficulty of the puzzles also increases, which ensures that the new block is added to the blockchain every 10 minutes on average. This also ensures that the rate of Bitcoin creation is predictable and controlled, as the block reward is halved every 210,000 blocks, approximately every 4 years. In conclusion, Bitcoin mining is a process by which new Bitcoins are created and transactions are verified on the Bitcoin network. It's based on a proof of work consensus mechanism, which involves miners solving complex mathematical puzzles to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. The technology behind Bitcoin mining includes the Bitcoin protocol, the blockchain, and specialized computer hardware called ASICs. As the number of miners increases, the difficulty of the puzzle increases and thus ensures the predictability and control of the Bitcoin creation rate. If you want to learn more about Bitcoin, make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below, and of course share your opinion on Bitcoin and this video. So I hope to welcome you all soon on the Crypto Mining channel. I wish you all a great day and talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss another update. Join the Bitcoin revolution.